Hi, I'm Dr. Bosques. I have been practicing medicine and family medicine since 2020. I chose the career of medicine because I like and I love to help people to feel happy and also provide health. Helping them to comply with all the medications, also every time that they are sick or they need help, do a nice and perfect evaluation, providing a correct diagnosis and correct treatment, also help them to get all the screening testing, all the blood work that they need, and be compliant with all the aspects so they can be healthy.